Hello guys, today our tutorial will be in English language. It's my first video while I'm making the tutorial, especially in English language, because I didn't make before. And actually also I'm thinking about making the next series, which will be like that from the ground up in English language also. If it's something okay for you, okay, we're gonna make it. If it's not, please tell me, because I do want it to reach to like the majority of you, not some of you. Okay, so today our tutorial will be just making a cool looking elevation. Actually, first of all, here I'm in Revit. I'm going to open an architectural template directly, and I do have this picture. I brought it from a page on Facebook. I think you saw that, but I mean, because I do like this shape, and I said why not to make it. Maybe we can just make a let's say simple elevation. We're gonna make this curtain walls, and we're gonna talk about the mullions and about the division of these grids, let's say, and then we're gonna make this arc. But I mean, because I saw this picture and I saw that it has an arc, we're gonna make first of all a simple one. I'm gonna talk about it, and then I'm gonna make the one that I want, which has I mean this arc. Because why I'm saying that, because now first of all, if I just click UN, because I want to change the unit, I will choose the centimeter, it's okay, and I will go to any one of the elevations to make sure that our levels is okay. Maybe we're gonna make another level by clicking double L, which is the shortcut of it, or by clicking by right click and then create similar. But the easier one is to click double L, and that's all. Click anywhere, like drag it until here, until you will see this blue line -1, and then click double times, and then 800. Okay, if I just go there, now I will click WA for the walls, and maybe to make sure first of all it's until level 2 or 3. For now it's 2. Maybe we just gonna make a simple rectangle like this, or without a rectangle, maybe just as an elevation like that. Okay, and then our arc will be maybe here. Our curtain walls, let's say, if I just go there, we have 3 types of them. You know that, like, some of them just as simple glass, some of them now has a bit just the division of the grids, and some of them do have the mullion also. Let's say I do want this one. If I just made it from here until this point, and then from this point until this one, and like this. If I just go to 3D to check it, I will select all of them, just drag them until this point, and then to make sure that everything is okay. As you see here, like, we do have these mullions, but what about if I don't want to have them? Okay, we do have too many ways to make that. If I just go back here, okay, we can just enter to the edit type of it, and then edit the spacing of them, and by a way, or by calculating the dimensions, of course. If I do want it to be a 1 meter or 2 meters, then I will put here just the maximum spaces will be 2 meter or 1 meter, to make sure that just the mullions will be on the sides. Okay, and I do have another way, which will be maybe just delete this one, delete all of them now, and let's go WA again, because I do want to show you that way. By until level 2, to this point, to this point, to this point, and then I will go to 3D to see that we can see these walls. Now if I just go to a curtain grid, I can make a grids like this. Like, if I do want it to be just only one here in the horizontal one and one here in the vertical one, I can. and then after that, if I just go to architecture 1, I do have a mullion, and then I can put a mullion on them. If you don't want like to calculate or to put some numbers in the edit type. Okay, just I wanted to show you this ways because maybe it's not familiar with, or like some students don't know them. We'll go WA again just to make this. Okay, let's say just I want a storefront for now, just like this and like that. And then if you see here, like we have this connection. Actually, I don't want to talk about it now, but it's okay. Like just we're gonna go to 3D first, and then select the first one, select this one, and just go unbend this one and that one, and go there and maybe choose the L1. He will tell you that I'm gonna delete the second segment, and you will say yeah, now we have a proper one. Okay, you're gonna make also the same thing here. If I go to shaded one, you can see it clearly. We have a clean corner now. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna to the first level or the floor plan 1. If I just go to level 1 or to wall, sorry, and I draw a wall like this, but I know I want to change the type to generic 300. Okay, if I just made it like that, and then go to 3D and to see it, bring it to this side. It's okay now. Now if I just click on it, we do have edit profile. Okay, I can make it directly by like choosing the shape that I want. Maybe if you just want it to be like this, maybe we could have a profile like this, and then to make an arc here in this shape just for now, and then go maybe with another arc from this point to this point. Okay, and then make it as horizontal line until this point. Click SL for split line, split it here, and TR for trim this one with this one, and then this one with that one. Make sure that like the envelope of it is closed, and then okay, we do have this arc. But actually I don't want this one because okay, it's an easier way to make it. What I want is to go there first and then make a copy, Ctrl C Ctrl V. Maybe you can make it or use the copy command. If you do have this wall but in arc like that, okay, and you do have maybe another wall like this, okay, now if you just go there and you try to edit profile, you cannot because it's an arc. We do have like as I know 2 or 3 ways. One of them is to, if you just try to make wall opening. Okay, let's try to make it for now. If I said by face and wall, of course, and I click the wall, maybe we could make an opening like this. Okay, we do have this opening but without the arc. Okay, but what about if I want to make the arc itself? Actually the way that I'm gonna follow is to make a generic model in place. If I just make it like this and go okay, whatever the name, we will go to extrusion, or first of all let's go to here to extrusion, and then make an arc like this. And if you do want like to have like exactly the same shape, we just gonna go there, click this one, click that one, and click it like this, and then select all of them, MV for move, bring it here, make sure everything is okay by clicking tab, and they say okay, go to 3D, raise it up a bit like this. And now also we have another problem. Let's say but we can like find the solution of it if I just go there and say create void form, void extrusion, and I will set, I want to set the plane, click bake a plane. Okay, I cannot bake it because it's what, it's an like arc wall, let's say, but like okay, we can make it here because it's an it became as a horizontal wall. But what I want to say, or what I want to do, is to make a reference plane, RB for shortcut, and then just make it in front of it like this, and then give it a name, for example 1, and then go to 3D. And now if you just create void form, okay, if I say it set by name, why we don't have it? Okay, if I say no, yes, okay, I'm gonna make now the plane RB like this, give it a name now 1, go to 3D, and then create void form, void extrusion, set, and then reference plane 1. If I said okay, to make sure that I'm drawing like on my plane, just I will click show to see my plane. Okay, now I can like draw the shape that I want. If I go maybe here, let's say, I can see it very well. Okay, we're gonna make like this shape, like this one, and then give me an arc like this. Maybe let's see the picture. Okay, maybe we can like make the shape that you want. Okay, it's okay from us then. Maybe like this, because I do want to have a clean corners. That's why I don't want to go like that crazy while I'm making the shapes. Okay, let's say no for okay for now. Okay, like this. Okay, like that. Okay, now if I just say okay and I drag it, he will cut this part, but what I want is to cut that one. I can make like the shape like this just to close it from here, but what I want to show you also, we can make this follow this way, which I can just make a rectangle around it and say okay. And now if I go to 3D, go to this corner, okay, and just drag it until this point. Why I can't drag it? Okay, I should. Yes. Now if it didn't cut, I will just use the cut command, this one from this one, and now we do have this shape, as you see here. Of course I just like made this wall a bit thicker, because if it was like this, like that, it will not give like the shape, or like it's not represent the shape itself. By making a bit thicker, it will be better, I think. And I think it's okay for today. Like I just wanted to show you these ways. If you do like it, or if you do like this way, or the English tutorials, and you found it like a bit more helpful for you, or better than the Arabic one, please tell me. If you don't, like tell me, please, like make some English or Arabic series and English series and make it separately. Thank you guys.